YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back for some quick fix videos on Hayward's AquaNaut 200. This will work for both the 200 and the 250, so stay tuned. We're going to dive right in. Alright guys, and we're back. So today we've got some quick fix videos for you guys on Hayward's AquaNaut 200. This is their 2-wheel suction side pool cleaner. As you guys can see in front of me, I've got the cleaner stripped down to pretty much nothing compared to what you saw before our beautiful intro. If you guys want to know how to get where I'm at right now, make sure you guys check out the links in the description below the video. We've got a playlist for you guys that starts from the outside all the way to where we're at right now. For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to remove the shaft retainer clip. This whole purpose of this clip is to assure that the shafts that are actually holding some of these gears in the cleaner itself do not slide out the side of the cleaner. Obviously it'd be really hard if you guys had your guys' wheel on. All those things would be very difficult to happen, but it is very possible. So to make sure that doesn't happen, they've included this clip to make sure that those don't slide out. So it is important that you guys keep this clip in there. It's required for functioning. And so you guys want to make sure that this is a part of the internal of your cleaner. So only tool that you'll need, you may be able to do it with your fingers. In my opinion, I like to get a flathead screwdriver. Makes it a little easier. What I'm aiming for, and here I'll show this camera over here again for you. This is your shaft retaining clip. So the whole purpose of this is it sits down nice and neat on the frame so that those shafts don't slide out of these tubes. So I'm going to go ahead. It's got a little prong on one side, so you want to start from the internal part. Be gentle when you're lifting it up because you don't want to break your turbine or your other gears. But as you guys can see, it just snaps right out as soon as you guys get underneath it in the right way. But here's the extra little part of the clip that I was talking about. It actually sits into the frame. So if you're trying to grab it from one end or the other end, you're fighting against that. So to come in from the side will kind of allow it to slide out and make it a lot easier to come out. So make sure you guys will stay tuned because this is required to remove in order to get access to the turbine, your cam, any of your other gears. So we just wanted to show you guys how to remove that. Again, to install it, it's going to be directional. You guys can count the little pieces on the axles, so you're going to line it up. Obviously it doesn't fit that way, so you guys would line it up and just basically snap it back down in so that it stays in there, and make sure that those axles don't slide out. So again, I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. We're going to have a ton more videos coming your way. So until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply, and we'll see you next time.